How to check my replacement authorizations. To view the authorizations that each organization applies to your profile, click on your name in the upper right corner, then on My Profile. Next, select the Substitute tab. At the bottom of the page, you will find the My Authorizations section. If you are registered with more than one organization, select the desired one from the drop-down menu. If your organization allows it, you will be able to view the configurations applied to your substitute profile. Your authorizations are divided into two columns. Clienteles represents the types of clienteles for whom you can receive replacement offers. Specialties represents the different specialties for which you can receive offers. The various statuses are as follows: not configured, refused, tolerated, not legally qualified, accepted, and qualified. The use and meaning of each status are specific to each organization. For any inquiries regarding your replacement authorizations, we invite you to contact the organization's platform administrator. You can find their contact information in the message below. Thank you for trusting Scalego.